Hey, it's James Matenza, your Houston New Home Realtor. So this is going to be video 2 of a collaboration of everything I've done throughout the last year, 2023. And again, I really appreciate you guys for supporting my channel, supporting my business all through 2023. I know there's a lot of people struggling last year with everything that's going on in the economy and the real estate businesses and all that stuff. So we're going to celebrate and just watch a lot of the things that I did throughout the season, throughout the year, and just to see everything that I've done. And I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do in 2024. Thank you guys. I love you. Let's watch the video. Yeah, so I've got a client that lives out of town, and they want to consider buying a Highland home in Meridiana, and they just can't make it out here. And they said, "Hey James, go check out this Highland home." Hey, it's James Matenza, your Houston New Home Realtor. I do this for all my clients that are looking to relocate to the Houston area, or they just can't make it out to a particular subdivision. So I got a special treat for you guys today. We're in the Drees Custom Home in Meridiana, and this is in the rough framing stage. And when you're buying this home, I'm going to recommend that you get a third-party inspection when the construction manager says it's ready for that. If you're relocating to the area and you're looking for something quick to move into, you definitely want to check out Drees Homes. Ready to go. This is the Layton floor plan is probably their most popular floor plan. All right, yeah, so Toll Brothers Homes in Sienna, and this is my first time walking through one in this stage. I've been through a couple of them, and I know Toll Brothers has a great reputation for building really nice homes in the Houston area. So as you guys know, if you watch my other videos, I like to start off in the garage. Here's your kitchen. A little spot there. This is going to be nice. They're going to have cabinets all the way out there. And those 2x6s, I guess, that are going that way, that's where they hang your cabinets. They're not really supportive as far as structure going this way, but it just gives them somewhere to hang your cabinets. How about that Toll Brothers home? It's a big one-story. It's nice and spread out. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous home. And of course, Sienna is definitely where you want to live. Maybe you might work at the Med Center or downtown. And today I've got a special guest with me today, Jay Tepidor from Highland Homes. We're in Meridiana in the model home. And we're going to be talking about some really interesting facts about the history of home prices. You know, what's happening to that? Are they always going to go up? Are they going to go down anytime in the near future? And we're also going to talk about the interest rate history. If you're looking to buy a new construction home in the Houston area, you are definitely going to want to watch this video series. We're going to be evaluating and going through. I'm going to be showing you a lot of home builders. Now let's start off in the garage. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that right now, because if you want to find out the best home builders in town, that's where I come in. I help you. I show you these videos. And if you use me as your realtor to buy a new construction home, I'll video your house as it's being built. And I want to make sure that they got plenty of material. That thing is massive. Look at the hanger that they have here, because they have another large span that goes from there to there. Plenty of good hangers. Lots of nails in the hangers. And we're going to have to transfer that load straight down. So we're going to have lots of material. All right, so let me spin you around, and we're going to take a look at this D.R. Horton home, and just to see what their build quality is. I've built several D.R. Horton homes, and they've all turned out very, very good. You know, all your electrical, and of course, nail guard right there when they hang their sheetrock. They don't poke a hole in the electrical, that would be extremely bad. And your tankless water heater goes here. I like that D.R. Horton puts tankless water heaters. Yeah, so if your home is in this stage right now, it's just about ready for the pre-sheetrock inspection. But what you're going to want to do is have someone like me, of course, come in here and take a whole video. But you're going to want to take some pictures of everything inside the walls, where the electrical is, where the plumbing is. So if you're looking to buy a new construction home in the Pearland area, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this video. Hey, it's James Potenza, that New Home Realtor. I've got a special treat for you guys today. We're going to be looking at the framing stage on a Castle Rock Greenlee floor plan. And I'm going to show you why I like Castle Rock so much. They do a really good bang up job of building these homes up. But what I always say, the more material, the more clips, the more straps, the better. So they strap these on every single one exterior. Not a lot of builders do that. Straps on every single one. And if you go up to the top, straps on every single one. But it's an interior OSB wall. Even though we're in a garage, it's not on the outside of the home. They have to have a nail schedule, a nail every so many distances to actually make this work. And I love it that they bolt it, and every single one of these, even though it's an interior wall, they still strap them, every single one. And of course, you're going to find a massive anchor on the corners. I'm telling you guys, these homes are built very, very good, and I can get you into these homes with the best deal possible. Don't go to the builder, call me directly. I can get you into one of these, and I'll help make sure that the home is built right. James Potenza, that New Home Realtor. If you're looking to get a brand new construction home in Pearland and get the best possible deal on one, you're definitely going to want to watch this video.